What is popping, you people? How are you all doing? It is Blue. Right about now, I'm here to share with you guys an amazing news as GAC Motor Nigeria would be officially launching two of their amazing cars on the 19th of November. Now, how do you get to win? You need to follow GAC Motor Nigeria. Tag 5 of your friends to follow GAC Motor Nigeria on their Facebook page and also on their official Instagram page. Leave a comment, like, and turn on your post notification as a live video will be officially going up on their page on the virtual launch. Part of the trivial questions you need to answer will be displayed on their page starting today. You'll start a chance to win a launcher lamp, a launcher fan, and also the green amazing air conditioner. The overall amazing part of this giveaway is that someone is going home with a GAC car.